it's Scott coming to you live from my home in Sugarloaf. If you have not already, smash that subscribe, hit that bell. I personally been working from home since 2016. I'm going to show you how to do it 1 hour a day with an automated system that they make the phone calls for you. But first, ask yourself this. You want to start earning $800, $2,400, and $4,000 per sale. Just like the other day, this came in on the 31st of January. I'm sorry, 31st of December of 2023. $2,400. Now we're in 2024, but the week started here. $2,400 right there, as you can see. So that is $2,400. So when we come back over here, what you're going to do is, all you're going to do is go to the link below, okay? You're going to come to this description. What it's going to do, it's going to take you over to a page like this. You want to watch this video. It's about 14 minutes long. Watch that video, very simple, because what we do here is we do all the work for you. And let me explain that. So after you watch this, you're going to click on here and you're going to go to this. And this is, what is OCM, the product and service explained? It's a traffic membership where you get discounted traffic on everything we need. And I've tested this. And personally, this has generated me $25,000. Now my $50,000 trophy is on the way. And I also have a $10,000 trophy here. So I have 2 trophies with 1 on the way. And what we're doing is we're showing you how to do the same exact thing. So once you go through all the information, the link is below, I want you to call my team. Yes, that is correct. Because what do? When you call this number, you're going to leave a message. And what they're going to do is they're going to call you back, answer all your questions. And again, they just closed 2 $2,400 sales for me. And it's going great, okay? We're starting 2024 with cash flow. As you can see, another real member testimonial here. Just keep going down because we even have 0 out-of-pocket option. Yes, that's how simple this is. Does the OCM system really work? Dan in Florida, $12,800 in just 4 days. I did $4,800 in just 2 days this past week, okay? Yes, they do 100% of the work. You keep the commissions. Our only job is to send eyeballs to our link that looks like this, or I have other automated funnels. But when you connect with me after you get started here, we're going to see what's best for you and what's automated for you. But first, I want to show you the value stacks you're going to get for taking advantage of joining me in online consistent money here. But before I do that, let's show you a couple more. Michael C. in Alabama, $4,200. And I work from this office every single day, about 1 hour a day. I work in the morning and I take the afternoons off every single day. I go to lunch and I talk with my friends, or I create more businesses because this allows me the time freedom, okay? What's the product? It's traffic. Level 1 gets you 10%. Level 2 gets you 15%. Level 3, you're going to get 20% more overages. But right here, level 1 gets you 10% on your traffic order off. Level 2 is 20 and level 3 is 30. These are the bonuses for taking action when you buy traffic. But I'm going to start your business and I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to start your business. And basically, people are making 10 to 30K a month consistently. And I have been now for the past 8 months with this once I found it. Don't forget, each single lead comes from the traffic could make you a commission. So they're right to your door, to your Cash App, to your Zelle, however you want to be paid. Yeah, but do people really sign up? Yes, check this out. You're going to see this page. Be sure to go through this $6,400 in just 1 week, okay? You don't have to be on Facebook for this. You don't have to have technical skills for this. All you have to do is want to work an hour a day and fire your boss or make extra money. And as I scroll down here, you're going to notice that we have a 0 out-of-pocket option. So right here, all you're going to do is click on this, and it's going to bring you to here. You're going to follow these exact steps, okay? These are your how to get paid and join OCM right here. Right here. That's to join the marketing team. This is 0 out of pocket. So everything's listed, what you have to do in step-by-step order. If you want to try for the financing, you could click here to get a loan. You could click here to get a loan, all right? And back over here, if you want detailed instructions, right here, you click on that and it shows you. Let's take you through this. Your exact steps to get started, okay? 1, you'll make 2 separate payments. You'll make your admin payment. Your first payment will be the admin, whatever level you choose to join. Your second payment will be the membership fee. If it's me, it's me. If it's somebody else, it's somebody else. But you're going to get this membership fee once you start with your traffic. And I'm going to show you the bonuses here, I'm going to start your business, okay? Payment instructions are on the next page. After receiving payment, receipt process confirmed, we will then activate your personal OCM affiliate website. You're going to get a capture page. You're going to get a VSL. You're going to get a product page. You're going to get an OCM instruction page, and you're going to get an OCM payment page. All pages are customized to you. Yes, you, just like I showed you here, okay? And after your OCM site is activated, you're now eligible to earn commissions. For example, you join that level 1, you're going to be able to make $800 commissions and 10% off lifetime discount traffic. Level 2, you're going to be able to make $2,400 commissions every time they make a sale for you and 20% off. And diamonds, the big level 3, 30% off in those big $4,000 commissions. Now, Scott, you may ask, hey, you said value stack. Start at the gold, right, which we just went through right over here. If you start at the gold, which is, where is that? Right here. If you start at the gold right here, which is level 1, you're going to get my Powerline Hub L250 level, okay? So you're going to have an additional $100 and $250 commissions eligible on top of the 800. You're going to get 100 premium clicks, the same traffic I use. So I'm going to start your business. Live email training every month valued at 500 plus. I'm throwing that in. Live Facebook training, live text message training, okay? So you're getting all that. Check this out. If you start at the platinum, which is earns $2,400 commissions right here, you're going to get 100 additional 100 and 200 and 500 eligible in my Powerline Hub. You're going to get 200 premium clicks of traffic from me. I'm going to start your business. You're going to get everything you got above, okay? And you're going to get a done-for-you Funnel Builders custom branding package. And this will all be sent in your bonus email, okay? So you're going to want to email scottbonuses@gmail.com to retrieve these bonuses after getting set up, okay? My team will send it over. This will also give you a chance to win a $200 to your Cash App, Venmo, or PayPal drawing that I do every month. All the above comes with my Powerline CRM and custom login. Yes, that's what you're going to get with the 100, 200, and 500. But don't worry, all you have to do is take action here in the online consistent money business, okay? And now if you get started at the diamond level where I'm at, you're going to get 30% off your traffic, and we need traffic, and I'm going to start your business, $4,000 commissions, and you're going to get my Powerline Hub all in, $1,000 commissions. You're getting leads. That comes with leads. Remember that. All these packages, all my Powerline Hub packages come with leads, okay? And there's going to be a link in the description to create your free account there so we can get you started, so you wait for your email, okay? So now you go all in with the diamond because you're taking your business seriously. You're going to be eligible. You're going to get 1,000 leads from me, people who want to make money. You're going to get, you're going to get 100, 250, 500, $1,000 instant commissions eligible. 400 premium clicks from my premium source. Yes, you heard me right. And that's what OCM is. I'm going to send traffic from here for you so your autoresponder could start working. And don't worry, you don't need to set anything up. We do all that for you, okay? You're going to get live YouTube training. You're going to get my email training. You're going to get my Facebook training. You're going to get my live text message marketing training. You're going to get a custom branding package with my done-for-you funnel builders and a chance to win a live drawing. And your bonuses plus $4,079 on top of the $5,000. So, let me do a quick recap and then I'm going to show you what you're going to have to do. Go to the link below, click on this link here, put your email address right in here, okay? When you do that, you're going to be sent to here, watch this 14-minute video. Then click right here, okay? And it's going to send you to the product page. Watch this video, review this whole entire page here. Be sure to call my team here and tell them Scott Darvit sent you. And you want my 2024 value stacks. Once you decide what product package you're going to do, whether it's the gold, the platinum, or the diamond, what you're going to want to do, if any bonuses are owed to you by looking at this key and what product package you join, Please email scottsbonuses@gmail.com. Please send my OCM bonus, okay? And that's it. It's as simple as that, folks. It doesn't get any easier than that. So I look forward to connecting with you all right? I look forward to connecting with you all. Have a great day. Don't forget to smash the subscribe, hit the bell, go to that link, get your business started today, and let me start your business with my 2024 value stacks. Have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.